Okay, so let's go to the google.com first. So google.com. Now search for the VS Code here. So type VS Code download for Windows. Okay, so select this one. Now let's go to the Microsoft website. So the second one, that is Visual Studio and VS Code downloads for Windows, Mac and Linux. And this is official Microsoft.com website. So we will open this. So the first one is Visual Studio 2026. But if you go down little on this page, then you will see Visual Studio Code. So this is Visual Studio Code for Windows, Apple and Linux. And you will see the button of free download. So simply select the version that you wanted to install. So we have Windows option for 64-bit, then we have for ARM, then we have for the Mac, and then we have for the Linux. So let's select this Windows 64-bit version. So click on it and your download will start. So you can see the download is started. So you can see that is 126 MB only. Okay, so this is the software. This is the application that we have downloaded. So we will double click on it and we will execute this. So double click on it. So these are just basic steps. So click on I accept the agreement, then click on next. Now again click on next. Now next. Now again click on next and then click on install. And the installation is started and it will be quick. Alright, so it is almost done. And now it's completed. Okay, so click on finish. So this is the VS Code application that is running. Okay, so the first step, let's open the Explorer in this VS Code. So go to this view section and now click on Explorer. So in the left panel, the Explorer will open. And now you can open a folder. So click on this open folder and navigate to your folder location. And then click on select folder. Okay, so let's click on this and then click on yes, I trust. So you can see the Explorer in the left panel. And let's open any code, for example, this one. And now we will open the third window, that is terminal. So click on this terminal and then click on new terminal. So the new terminal will open at the bottom side. Now, if you look at this editor, then this is looking just like a text or a notepad, right? But we know that this is a Terraform code. So what we need to do that we have to install the plugin for the Terraform so that it will be visualized in a nice formatted way. So for this, let's go to the extension tab. Now click on it. And now you will see lot of extension here for different programming languages like Python, Jupyter, C, C++, and there are many of them. But we are looking for Terraform. So we will search it here in the search bar. So that is Terraform. And we will select the official one. So this is from the HashiCorp. So this is the official extension. So simply click on this install button. Then click on install. And now it will take some time and then it will be installed on your machine. Okay, so you can see that is installed now. And now if I go back to the panel and now if I open the Terraform code, so you see that how nice our code is looking now. And now you can start working on it. And even if you're working on some different programming language, so just install the plugin and you are good to go to start your programming. And in the bottom, we have the terminal from where you can execute your command. For example, Terraform init. Alright, that was quick, easy, and the official method to get the VS Code on your machine.